The new Audi Nuvolari is not just a replacement for the R8. It is a hybrid supercar that combines a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with 3 axial flex electric motors, delivering a total system output of 1,001 horsepower. That translates into Audi's most powerful and fastest production vehicle to date. But the key change is not the number. It's how that power is computed, distributed, and corrected in real time. The combustion engine produces roughly 800 horsepower and is capable of revving up to 10,000 revolutions per minute. It is paired with a hybrid system that adds 3 electric motors, 2 on the front axle and 1 integrated into the drivetrain, enabling fully variable torque distribution across all 4 wheels. This is where the Nuvolari departs from traditional quattro systems. Audi calls it quattro predictive ride. Instead of reacting to slip, the system pre-calculates grip conditions, using sensor inputs like steering angle, yaw rate, wheel speed, throttle position, and lateral acceleration. Torque is then redistributed before instability occurs. This shifts the car from reactive traction control to predictive traction modeling. The result is a continuously adapting chassis state, rather than a fixed mechanical setup. The Nuvolari accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.6 seconds, reaches 200 km per hour in 6.8 seconds, and exceeds 350 km per hour of top speed. A 7.3 kWh high-voltage battery supports short bursts of electric-only operation and provides immediate torque fill for transient response. The electric motors also enable front axle torque vectoring, improving yaw control during corner entry and stabilizing the car under combined braking and steering loads. The hybrid system integrates dedicated cooling strategies for the battery, electric motors, and V8 combustion unit to maintain consistent performance over repeated high-energy cycles. Inside, the layout is deliberately minimal and driver-focused, prioritizing control interfaces over infotainment complexity. Beyond the engineering, the Nuvolari is also a strategic platform. It is limited to 499 units and will enter production in the first half of 2027.